Ever missed the perfect sunset shot on your travels? Struggled with bulky drones and endless setup? Frustrated by short battery life and shaky footage? Worried about drone registration and complicated rules? I've been there, missing moments, fighting wind, feeling limited. Then I found the DJI Mini 4K. This tiny powerhouse weighs under 249 Gs. No registration needed in most regions, just fly. It's so light I toss it in my backpack. Setup? Just unfold, power up, and connect. The 4K UHD camera is a game changer. Cinematic shots, sunrise, sunset, city lights, all crystal clear. The 3-axis gimbal keeps footage stable even in wind. Level 5 wind resistance? No problem for this drone. Brushless motors give smooth, powerful flights. Fly up to 10 kilometers. Yes, that's over 32,000 feet. One battery gives me up to 31 minutes of flight. Want more? Choose the 2 or 3 battery sets. No more battery anxiety, just uninterrupted creativity. Worried about landing? One-tap takeoff and landing. GPS return to home keeps things safe and simple. Stable hovering makes capturing the shot easy. New to drones? The DJI Fly app has tutorials. Quick learning curve. Master flight in minutes. Want pro-level videos? Try quick shots modes. Helix, droney, rocket, circle, boomerang, all automatic. Tap, shoot, and let the drone do the magic. Perfect for beginners, travelers, and photography fans. I use it for travel vlogs, family pics, and epic landscapes. The footage? Always sharp, always smooth. Windy beach? Mountaintop? No worries. DJI Mini 4K handles tough conditions with ease. The controls are intuitive and beginner-friendly. Everything you need comes in the box: drone, battery, remote. Affordable, portable, and ready to fly. No more missing out on stunning aerial shots. No more hassle with heavy gear or complex setup. Just grab, go, and capture your world in 4K. Remember, download the DJI Fly app from the official site. Google Play doesn't have it. Get the latest version online. Activation is quick and easy through the app. Check local laws before flying. Stay safe and legal. The drone's design is sleek and foldable. Fits in my palm, super compact for travel. RC-N1C remote gives precise control and smooth flying. Switch between photo and video modes instantly. Share your creations right from your phone. Perfect for social media, vlogs, and travel diaries. The intelligent battery keeps me shooting longer. Choose your set: 1, 2, or 3 batteries. Up to 93 minutes with extra batteries? Amazing! No FAA registration needed for recreational use. Just check requirements if you're in the US. The drone is regulation-friendly for most regions. Great for spontaneous flights, no paperwork stress. I love the freedom to fly anytime, anywhere. The 4K camera captures every detail, day or night. Gimbal stabilization means smooth, professional footage. Even beginners get cinematic results with quick shots. The tutorials in the app help you learn fast. One-tap controls make flying super easy. Auto-return keeps your drone safe every flight. Stable hovering lets you focus on creativity. Wind resistance means reliable flights in tough weather. Brushless motors provide quiet, powerful performance. DJI's support and updates keep things running smoothly. The price? Surprisingly affordable for this quality. If you're a traveler, creator, or beginner, this is for you. Upgrade your aerial game with DJI Mini 4K. Ready to capture your world in stunning 4K? Visit DJI's official website to get yours today. Download the DJI Fly app and start flying. Don't let moments slip away. Fly, film, and create. DJI Mini 4K, your ticket to cinematic skies. Make every journey unforgettable with aerial 4K footage. I recommend it for anyone who loves creativity. Start your drone adventure now. Capture, share, inspire. DJI Mini 4K, easy, powerful, and ready to fly.